Hello everyone, this is Cyber Monkey here. Today we're gonna show you how to configure the local login, the to create a password for enable mode, to create a Telnet login to remote access to the router, and how to encrypt the VDY and local password. So in the past tutorial, I don't know connect the laptop directly to the router by a console cable that has proprietary mapping pins by Cisco. If you click in the router, you can go to the physical tab and zoom in. You will see this is the console port. This is the cable simulated connected into the laptop. So this is the port that you can use if you never if the router is brand new, or if you want to reflash the router in roaming mode. This is the cable you will need to use to configure for first time. So this router is the same copy as the before lab, so we got the DHCP server configure and everything else. If you want to make a test that I don't made in the past lab, you can enter in the computer, go to command prompt, and you can use the ping command to ping the gateway. Or gateway is the gateway of the router. So it's the number 192. What's it say? That one, and it's supposed to reply with the ICMP message. So we got communication both ends. Another tool that is very cool in packet tracer is the add simple PDU. So if you click the PDU from computer 0 to the router, you will see down here successful that the PDU trace the route and go back. So that's indicate your network is very configured and is the correct IP addresses and routing tables. So in this tutorial we're gonna make how to configure all of this, and it's very easy to do, but some people follow this and make you think you know it, and not everybody is in the same situation. Somebody wants to learn it, somebody wants to refresh that something forgot. So I will do it for you and you will see it's very easy. So I'm in the serial connector, console connection to the laptop. I'm going to hit the terminal to simulate the serial connection like PuTTY in real life or other software that has that type of communication. Okay, I hit OK, and you will see I'm in the router. Like if I click here and go to client, but let's go to say in the real life. Okay, to do that we need to put enable to enter in exit mode, to config terminal. Okay, to create the local login you need to use the line console 0. Line console 0. The password for that will be, for this training, Cisco 1. After that you need to use the login and end. That's all. It's very simple step. Line console 0, password Cisco 1 of the or the password you want to show, and login, and to back to exit mode. So to configure a password for enable is very easy too. You need to enter in config terminal. You need to go to enable. You can use password, but this is not recommended, because if you put password and after the password you want to give, if you do the show running config, you will see in that configuration the password in simple test. So it's not recommended because it's poor security. So we need to use enable secret that made by the iOS to encrypt the enable password with a hash. So after secret we need to use the password. It will be Cisco 2. Okay, perfect. To make the Telnet configuration, you need to hit conf terminal, line BTY 0 space 4. Password is gonna be Cisco 3. Okay, and after login, that's all. It's very similar to configure the console password. The only difference is the VDY or the console that you see in this. So to make the final step of this tutorial is the encrypt VDY and local password. So we need to go back to exit mode, enter in config terminal mode, and the command you use is service password encryption. That's all. If you want to make sure that's command of service work, you can go to show running config, and you will see that the enable password we created in the first step has here, but is encrypted. You choose space bar. Okay, line console for console connection encrypted. Line VTY 0 space 4 encrypted. Perfect. Now if you are in this computer and you want to connect remotely to this router, you can go to command prompt, use the Telnet communication, take the gateway IP address of the router is 192.168.1.1, and you will have the connection. Sorry, I forgot the T. Telnet. Oh, sorry. Now, okay. As you can see, if we don't configure the Telnet password, there will never you can get in by this mode. So the password is Cisco 1, Cisco, okay, Cisco 3, and you're enter, but you're not authorized to do much. If you put shift and question, you can build connect to a terminal, ping, resume, show. So we need to enter in enable to privilege command. So enable. By this you'll see you need another password. That's the password for the enable password we made it. That's very important. That's why I show you the enable password is important in our network. Okay, and here we go. We are in the router. We can edit, we can add interface, we can do whatever we want. It's the same that we are connected physically to the router. So if you want to pin another host, example the 102, you can pin and you're supposed to respond 102. Okay, very good. Success rate 80%. So if you do again, maybe you have a 5%, the 100%. So that's all in this training. I wish that you learn something or you refresh something that you forgot. Thank you for watching.